Hey guys, so today we're going to be riding at Raging River. This is my friend Charles. He's going to be showing me around this place. And we're going to be hitting some pretty cool trails up here, like Poppin Tops and Flow, and we're going to do a few laps. So it's going to be a great day.
So you may notice this actually isn't my main bike. It's my Trek Flowy X7. My Norco Range Carbon is in the shop right now and it's getting a full brake overhaul. I'm super excited to get that back, but for now, I'm riding on this bike, so I'm super excited. I haven't ridden this in a while, so it might take some getting used to at the start, but I know that I'll do really well. The climb at Raging River can be anywhere from 30 minutes to just over an hour if you go to where we're going, but I'm a slow climber, so it's probably best that we start now. I'm gonna take a while, so I'm gonna skip past most of it.
My bike's creaking again.
Sorry about that weird bottom bracket noise here. I didn't lube it and it's just creaky.
This doesn't sound good at all.
I should probably introduce this guy too. This is Terry, and he's Charles's brother. We're all going to be riding together today, and they've ridden these trails that we're going to hit today, so they know everything here.
He's on a Norco Fluid, which is pretty cool. So we're all excited to be here and get some good laps in. Ready?
Yep.
This is the longest section. Hopefully I don't die. I mean, I already kind of have, but hopefully I don't die even more. Yeah, long flat climbs don't bother me as much as steep climbs. Long steep climbs are the worst, but even short steep climbs aren't my thing.
So we finally made it to Upper Poppin Tops, and it's a black flow trail here at Raging River. I've heard a lot about this trail, but I've also heard it's kind of rough, so I'm excited to check it out. I want to hit this trail twice today. The first time we'll be getting used to it, and the second time we'll be sending it as hard as I can. Let's hit Poppin Tops for the first time. In this video, you'll also see some shots from the Charles camp. He has the GoPro Hero 8, which is one generation newer than my Hero 7. Of course, this was filmed before I got the new Hero 9, but it's still noticeably different.
Okay, Upper Poppin Tops. Okay, Upper Poppin Tops. Cindy!
Let's go.
Let's get it. Oh, this is nice. Thank you. Ugh.
So Poppin Tops is actually one of the flowiest trails I've ever ridden. There's a bunch of jumps, berms, and rollers that all just connect really well. Of course, this is a really popular trail, so there are naturally some rough spots and rocks.
Wow. Oh, I'm gonna hit that next time. Are you ready?
Yep.
Lower Poppin Tops? This trail is not smooth.
This trail does get ridden on hard, and it definitely shows. Some of the berms are filled with brake pumps and rocks, but it's too much fun to care.
Oh, that was bad. And now we're at the fire road. Okay, so we're going back up to Poppin Tops again. I'm gonna try to do a little bit better than I did last time. I went kind of slow, so it was also my first run down. So this time, we're gonna send it a lot more. We're heading up the climb. This is the second section of 2, so we're almost there. I will see you at the top.
So Raging River is actually a lot bigger than just these trails. It gains a lot more elevation, but we wanted to ride these trails because they're some of the only flow ones here, and they're just super fun in general. This time I want to go a lot faster into Poppin Tops, so let's absolutely send it. So that's all we have time for on Poppin Tops today, but it was a super fun trail. We're going to head down to the bottom now by the trail Flow State.
What's this trail like? I've never ridden it.
More like a tack and flow combined.
Is it smooth? Or is it like Poppin Tops?
Smoother than Poppin Top. More like, it's like Poppin Top.
Cool. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, let's hit that right now.
I'm going to use the Charles cam for most of this beginning portion because he was right behind me most of the time.
Oh! Yeah!
So far, I've noticed that there's less jumps on this trail and it's more rollers and berms. It's still super fun though and really fast.
Yeah, that one almost died.
That was not good.
That route seems to be causing problems for a lot of other people too. You can see some of the tire marks where a bunch of people went off the trail.
Oh, I hate that bird. Oh, that was fun.
That was cool. That was fun.
This will have the shark fin.
Yeah, he just told me, so
The beginning.
I'm gonna see if I can hit that. You ready?
Yep. Sandy. Oh, ouch!
This trail is pretty cool. Oh, that's a hole. Ugh.
This trail felt like it was going on forever and ever and ever, and I really liked it. Some of the berms are really unique, although it is a little bit rough for a flow trail. I still can't complain though, because this is one of the flowiest trails.
Sick. That was tons of fun.
You know, there's a one that this and it just stumbles here. I'm like, boom, stop.
Yeah, I know. I saw that one too. That trail's a lot of fun.
Let me show you. I mean, look.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So that wraps it up for today, and I rode some pretty cool trails with my friends. I'm definitely going to come back to this place and see what else it has to offer, but for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week.